Why carboxylic acid is acidic in nature? It is discussed in this point. Now, today's lecture we will study acidic character of carboxylic acid and which factor influence or which factor responsible to this acidic character of carboxylic acid we will study in these points. We know that functional group of carboxylic acid is a RCOOH and this carboxyl group it is impart acidic character to carboxylic acid. That means this COOH group it is involved or responsible to acidic character of carboxylic acid. We know that this carboxyl group that is COOH group it is made from this hydroxyl group. It is attached to carbonyl carboxylic acid molecule. In aqueous solution that is in presence of water molecule, this carboxylic acid dissociate as proton and carboxylate ion salt to conjugate base of carboxylic acid. We write reaction this RCOOH acid molecule in presence of aqueous solution, that means in presence of water molecule. Here acid molecule dissociate to formation of this CO minus and H plus, that means here formation of RCO minus as a carboxylate ion plus this proton combined with water, here formation of H3O plus ions. And this is an example of conjugate base. That means in aqueous solution this carboxylate ion dissociate formation of carboxylate ion and this proton combined with water, here formation of H3O plus molecule. In this reaction here formation of this carboxylate ion, this is a conjugate base of this acid molecule. That means this carboxylate ion it has a two resonating structure and this two resonating structure it is a stabilized resonating structure. Here formation of this carboxylate ion, that is conjugate base of acid, it has two resonance stabilized structure. This carboxylate ion it has two resonance stabilized structure. We write here structure first RCO minus, it is the first resonating structure, and RCO minus O it is a second resonating structure. In this first molecule, this O minus and this oxygen shifted to carbon-oxygen bond, and this double bond shifted to oxygen. Here formation of carbon double bond oxygen, and this oxygen carrying negative charge. This is a two resonance stabilized structure of carboxylate ion. That is, we write resonance hybrid of this resonating structure RC, first oxygen, second oxygen, and this dotted line is indicate that double bond present in both carbon oxygen and this negative charge written in center, that is this negative charge also present in both oxygen atom. This both resonance structure of carboxylic acid, that is first and second, both are equivalent to each other. That means negative charge present in both oxygen and this double bond also present in both carbon double bond oxygen. It is a equivalent to each other. Therefore, give result as good acidic character of this carboxylate ion, and this carboxylate ion it is stabilized to carboxylic acid. Then we will study influence of electronic effect on acidity of carboxylic acid. That means which factor responsible acidity of carboxylic acid. All carboxylic acid do not have same pKa value. This is a pKa value of these compounds, and all carboxylic acid do not have same pKa value. This pKa value it is similar molecule. That means this pK value it is used to determine which molecule it is stronger and which it is weaker. That means higher pK value or maximum pK value, this molecule it is a weaker acidic, and lower pK value, this molecule it is a stronger acidic molecule. Then R group in acidic acid, that means here write RCOOH. This R group in acidic acid, it is influenced or it is responsible for this acidic character of this carboxylic acid molecules. We see here, we write here two tables of pK values, some examples of pK values. First table it is a pK value of haloacidic acids, and second table it is a pK value of this chloroacidic acid. In first table we write here halogen acidic acid, that is fluoroacetic acid, chloro bromo iodacetic acid, and last it is a acidic acid. And second table here introduce fluorine atom attached to this carbon, that means this table it is a pK value of chloroacetic acid. We know that these halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine, these halogens are more electronegative atom and it has electron withdrawing inductive effect. That means this halogen it carry minus I inductive effect. Therefore, this carboxylate ion of this halogen acid it is stabilized by minus I inductive effect. We write here dissociation. Suppose X it is a fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Then this CH2 COH. After dissociation, here formation of CH2COO minus, that is formation of haloacetic acid ion. And this halogen it is a electron withdrawing group, that means this halogen pull electron to one and it carry electron withdrawing inductive effect. And this negatively charged carboxylate ion, this negatively charged carboxylate ion of this haloacetic acid, it is gets stabilized by this negative I effect of this halogen atoms. We know that this halogen atom it is a more electronegative and electron withdrawing inductive effect. Therefore, this formation of this carboxylate ion of this haloacetic acid gets stabilized by this minus I effect of this halogen atom. That means in this first table we see here fluoroacetic acid pK value 2.56, second fluoro 2.86, bromoacetic acid 2.90, iodoacetic acid 3.18 and acidic acid 4.76. Means pK value increases as halogen atom increases. Means halogen atom increases or electronegativity atom of increases top to bottom, their pK value also increases. We know that this fluorine it is a more electronegative than other halogen atoms. Therefore, this carboxylate ion of fluoroacetic acid it is stabilized by this conjugate base of fluoroacetic acid. That means more electronegative atom, it is a stronger acidic acid. We see here this first 2.56 and last acidic acid 4.76. This fluoroacetic acid it is a lower pK value, that means this fluoroacetic acid is a higher acid strength, and acid strength increases. That means number of halogen atom increases or number of electronegative atom increases, their acid strength also increases. That means in this example, trichloroacetic acid, here 3 chlorine atom attached to carbon, their pKa value 0.6. It is lower than these two, and this is a more acid strength than this monochloroacetic acid and dichloroacetic acid. That means in these two tables we will study or we will notice that this halogen atoms or electronegativity of atom decreases, their pKa value increases, but acid strength decreases. And in second, number of same halogen atom increases, their pKa value decreases, but acid strength increases. That means this acidity of carboxylic acid is depend upon structure of R molecule. Here R, it is a fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. This is electronegative atom increases, their pKa value also increases. That means acid strength different. Then we will see acidity of aromatic carboxylic acid. We know that benzoic acid that is C6H5 COOH. This benzoic acid, it is the simplest aromatic acid, and this benzoic acid, it is stronger than acetic acid. This benzoic acid, it is stronger than this acetic acid because pKa value of this benzoic acid, it is a 4.2, and pKa value of acetic acid, it is a 4.76. We know that pKa value increases, then acid strength decreases. Here this benzoic acid, it is a more acidic than this acetic acid because sp2 hybridized carbon in aromatic carboxylic acid, it have electron withdrawing effect and it exert inductive effect. This benzoic acid, it exert inductive effect. That means here formation of carboxylic ion of this benzoic acid, it is stabilized by conjugate base of this aromatic carboxylic acid. We write here, this is a CO minus, it is a carboxylate ion of this benzoic acid. It is stabilized by conjugate base of this benzoic acid because, or it is stabilized by this minus I inductive effect because sp2 carbon in aromatic acid, it is electron withdrawing and it exert inductive effect. That means this carboxylate ion or conjugate base of this aromatic acid, it is stabilized by minus I inductive effect. We know that two groups, that is electron withdrawing group and electron donating group, it is attached to hydrocarbon parts. That means their pKa value also different, and that we know pKa value different, that means their acid strength also different. In electron withdrawing group like that CnNO2, or in electron donating group here CH3 OCH3, this group attached to suppose aromatic carboxylic acid, their pKa value and acid strength different. By using this electron withdrawing group, that means this electron withdrawing group, it attached to benzoic acid, their acid strength increases, and electron donating group attached to benzoic acid, their acid strength decreases. Means in these two, this acid strength increases of benzoic acid when electron withdrawing group attached to benzoic acid, and acid strength decreases of benzoic acid when electron donating group attached to benzoic acid. We take some example. We write here suppose COOH and here